In this video I want to teach you how to make a money from Shutterstock, how to sell your photographs, how to sell your videos, how to sell your music, or how to sell your videos. In this video I will be explain each and everything step by step from zero to expert level. Friends, if you are an expert designer or expert vector artist or expert musician or anything, you want to earn your money from zero, to start your earning today from the Shutterstock. I will be show you something about the Shutterstock videos, photos, musics. Upload your videos and Shutterstock